You know, one of the most common questions that I get from men weekly that reach out that are struggling with overcoming their pornography addiction is, Frank, how can I overcome this quickly? How can in the next 30 days I can break this habit that has been with me for a decade? Or Frank, here's an even better one, right? Is how can I make quitting porn easy? You know, and what I think is it's this type of thinking. It's looking for the quick solution. It's looking for the easy fix. That is in fact why we're struggling with this behavior. Think about anything that anybody achieves easily in this world. Anybody that gains success without having to put in years or oftentimes decades of work. Think about it from a financial perspective, right? Anybody that gains financial success without having to work for it. Lottery winners, inheritance, passing down of wealth from generation to generation. The track record is pretty clear there. It's not sustainable. It doesn't work. Lottery winners, 75% of lottery winners are broke and bankrupt within 2 to 5 years. Think about it on the weight loss perspective as well, right? Everybody out there is looking for the quick solution. What pill? What can I take? What cream can I rub on my belly to make all this fat disappear and go away? Number one, we know that those approaches are ineffective, but anybody that's ever done a 30-day rapid weight loss challenge puts the weight on just as quickly, oftentimes quicker, and many times more weight than what they lost in the first place. It's because the short-term approaches, the quick fixes, the blue pills, whatever it is, the magic creams, they're not sustainable, man. And I think when we're trying to break an addiction that has been with us for years, maybe decades, maybe multiple decades, looking to overcome that quickly is setting ourselves up for failure. You know, the number one indicator of success of anything in this world, anything in your life you will achieve will be done by the ability to delay gratification. It's putting off the reward for as long as possible. And the longer we can put off the reward, man, the greater the reward is. The more we experience, the more pleasure, the more joy, the more fruit that comes out of that. When I think about my bodybuilding career, I trained for almost a decade, 10 years in the gym before I ever thought about stepping on a bodybuilding stage. You know, today I see kids 6 months in have a little bit of newbie gains. They put their first 15 pounds of muscle on and they think that they're ready to step on a bodybuilding stage. Then in the dieting process, they lose all the muscle because it wasn't worked for. It wasn't earned. It wasn't truly achieved. So looking for a simple solution to a pornography addiction is the reason why you're struggling with porn. Think about, why do you run to porn? Why do you use it? Is it an escape? Is it meaningless pleasure seeking? Whatever it is, so you're running to a behavior to produce a feeling because you want that feeling now. You're not willing to do the work necessary to feel good. If we could understand, man, that pain and pleasure operate on a cycle, right? So we're seeking pleasure. That is what pornography provides to us. Very limited, massive amounts of short-term dopamine, short-term pleasure within the moment, but we don't have to do anything to produce that. You know what else can give us that hit of pleasure, those hits of dopamine? Hard fucking work. Hard work on your body, hard work on your mind, hard work on your business, hard work on your relationships. Do the hard things and you will be rewarded on the other end. Now the question is challenged to you is, are you willing to do what's necessary? Are you willing to learn delayed gratification? Are you willing to do the necessary work? Are you willing to become the man that seeks discomfort on a daily basis? Ask yourself this question. What am I doing to put myself in uncomfortable situations on a daily basis? Am I physically challenging myself? Am I mentally challenging myself? Am I emotionally challenging myself? Am I trying to get uncomfortable on a daily basis? Because it's in the seeking of the uncomfortable that we learn to be comfortable. If we seek comfort, we never get there. Because it's in the, and you know this, right? When has pornography ever made you feel good? It produces an element of comfort within the moment, but instantly you regret the decision. Instantly, you know you messed up. So it's in the seeking of the discomfort, man. In the seeking of, am I willing to do the challenging, difficult, and necessary work, that we unlock the keys, we unlock the understanding, and we unlock the ability to become the man that is no longer addicted to porn. So guys, I hope this was helpful. Frank Rich here, Rebuild Recovery. We have a free ebook, guys. If you're struggling with this behavior and you're struggling with breaking from this addiction, down there in the pinned comment below, put a link to our free book. It's the 7-Step Guide to Living Life Without Porn. At this point now, about 5,000 men have used this book to get clear on why they're running to pornography, but more importantly, map out a vision, map out a plan, map out a life 100% porn free, and then execute upon it. So click the link down there. That's 7 steps to living life without porn. But God bless you. Seek discomfort on a daily basis, and it's in the seeking that you will grow, develop, and possess the ability to produce your own comfort in your life and no longer seek it from external sources. Love you guys. Hit subscribe if you got value. We'll see you in the next one.